Hello everyone, this is your wait and see channel. What a great moment, two intelligent animals in the water. Happy with Nemo.
Aspirations, I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it.
The little screams. I love it! You still make it look effortless. My god, I love the ducks so much that I'm starting to see this as the most beautiful thing I've seen, a cloud of love.
Yeah. Oh no!
The old bloke in the blue, not a care in the world to help her, he's thinking survival.
No! No, you are not! Do you need directions, sir?
He's clearly defending the den with the little ones in it, for sure.
Chase me. Come on.
This is hilarious. Repetitively playing dead and flipping back over again like, nah, not this time.